Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2007 Chevrolet Silverado Crew Cab 2-wheel drive 2LT model. So the 2LT designating an up-level LT model, so you get the 20-inch chrome wheels and also a full leather interior. This is also the Texas edition. So plenty of submodels here. Chevy always draws it out and likes to give you a lot of names for what their vehicles designate for trim level packages, but comes with clean and clear headlights, also fog lights. Again, that's with the LT package, and comes powered with the 5.3 liter Vortec V8 engine. Very long lasting motor here. I mean, you'll be looking at unlimited amounts of mileage with proper maintenance and care. The outside of the vehicle is a beautiful black color, standard black, and looks very, very beautiful. There's only one blemish on the bed in the driver's rear. We'll show you that a little bit later. But coming to the clean interior, we have a nice smoke and pet-free interior. Comes with power windows, locks, mirrors, seats for the luxury LT model. Dual stage glove compartment, center console with dual cup holders, and then we have a center console armrest as well too, and then that has plenty of space inside. Now this Silverado comes equipped with keyless entry and remote start. Also has dual climate controls, CD player, AM FM stereo, it's satellite radio capable. It has a warmer for the washer fluid, and it has dual charging ports. Also has a traction control system button to toggle on or off. The leather's in very nice condition. It also has running boards and body side moldings. Running boards are nice factory equipment to make that step up into the vehicle. Comes with an additional charging port and dual cup holders. Has the all-weather Chevy floor mats throughout, and it has a dual cup holder with center console fold-down armrest. Nice clean headliner, no problems there. It also has dual vanity mirrors with working lights in them. And the turn signals are built into the side view mirrors as well too. We are getting the center cap. It is on order, so that will be equipped with the truck. No bed liner on this one, so we have a few little cosmetic scratches from regular use. As you can see, the Texas edition there, the LT Silverado designation. The tailgate works flawlessly, no problems there. It comes with a towing package. Four-wheel disc brakes. Nice clean roof. And then the little bit of body damage is here. We have this dent here and a little dent here with some small scratches. So on the outside, that's the only thing we really have to look for cosmetic. And here's our power windows, locks, mirrors, and fold-in mirrors as well too. That's a 2LT package exclusive. And we have automatic headlights, fog lights, and dome light control. This is for our information for our speedometer there. And then we have our multi-function switch for the turn signals and windshield wipers, all in a nice leather wrapped steering wheel. It's in good condition. And then on the left here we have our cruise control. On the right we have stereo controls and voice command. This truck comes equipped with an auto dimming rear view mirror, OnStar, as well as HomeLink and dual map lights. So you can see the oil pressure comes up nicely. That's how you want to see it run up there, for that it has a healthy 5.3 engine. So we have a tire pressure warning light. Those are the only things we don't fix. We just don't have the equipment to do that, so those are the one things we let go at the point of sale. So the voltage is very nice, coolant temperature's coming up good, and oil pressure, you're going to want to see this move like this. So you're going to want to see that gauge climb up the way it is. That's how you know you have a healthy Vortec engine. And the AC is ice cold. Speakers are working good, and AC, like I said, is ice cold. And there you have it, folks. You have a total turnkey Chevy Silverado here. It comes equipped with tinted windows as well too. I forgot to mention that. And it is gorgeous. 20-inch wheels with these beautiful Goodyear tires that were just put on last year. So fresh tires, ready to go. Look at that beautiful truck. Trucks are at an all-time premium right now, so come on down and get this one before it's gone. We have it offered at a great price. You can find this beautiful 2007 Chevy Silverado LT exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.